Hi, this is Alex from AirChatty CRM, and today we are going to talk about integrations still, and we are going to discuss about Stripe. Stripe is really important because it's one of the tools that helps us to collect payments from our clients, and I think it's worth discussing about this integration as well. So I'm going to share my screen right now and show you where you can integrate this. Simply by going in settings and then going to integrations, then you will see right here you have Stripe. Okay, so what we have to do is to click continue and then connect with Stripe. Right here, when I click connect to Stripe, it's going to bring up a new window where I have to log in with my my login details. Okay, I'm gonna use my business Stripe account. You're gonna have to bear with me for a second so I can find the passwords. Okay, we have the password. Then obviously we need to authorize this. Stripe. Let's authorize this. Okay, and now it's gonna ask us which of the business would you like to be linked to your AirChatty CRM. So let's say we want to link, look, let's link this one because we use this one with integrations Facebook and in Instagram. So if I use this one and click connect, now lead connector is going to redirect me back, and that's it. Now Stripe is linked, Stripe is live, and Stripe test mode is enabled as well. Now if I'm clicking on this one, I'm gonna see the email address and the business that is linked to that Stripe account, of course, and the test account. I can enable Google Pay and Apple Pay as well, so by clicking here, but you need to make sure that it's also enabled in your Stripe account. And also this will enable Apple Pay and Google Pay on 1-step and 2-step order forms in version 2 funnels. Okay, I can confirm that I usually enable them because yeah, people pay with Google Pay and Apple Pay, to be honest. Okay, so right now when we will discuss about products, we are ready to actually process products payments through my Stripe account. And Stripe, if you don't know, is one of the biggest card processing providers in the world. It's available in many countries. Just go to stripe.com and you can see what is it about. But it's that easy to actually link Stripe with AirChatty CRM. You don't have to bring API key, you don't have to do all the other nonsense that you usually do on other platforms. On AirChatty CRM is like spot on, takes 10 seconds and that's it. All right, well, that was the video for Stripe integration today. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.